Good afternoon, Bastien Mahé from BVN Real Estate. This afternoon, 5th of August, we are in a residence called Pelican. So, parking lot over there, 5-6 stairs to arrive, and then largest pool over San Juan Del Sur, and we see in front the Christ statue. So we are showing Casa Madrono. So one house next to the pool with his parking, pool access. It's like very tranquil, very calm. Only like 5 houses on this phase, large stage between trees, so a lot of privacy. And we go to Casa Madrono. Now in the house with one of the best view of San Juan Del Sur. Best view because we are in town, so it's a 10-minute walk to city center or to beach, so it's like very easy to live over there. Taxi drive will cost you between 60 to 100 Cordoba, so $2 to $3 to go up. And we have at first so a very large terrace, like 4 meters wide, so you have part on shade always all day. See that? So I came from the outside over there, but you see we don't see anyone. We have just like trees, and the first roof we see are in town. So you are in the jungle but in town. So it's a 5-minute drive to go, 24-hour security, 7 days a week, and we get into the house. Sorry. So we get into the house, very high ceiling, and it's the first we have like a living room entrance. We have the kitchen on the left with a stove, 6 fires also. There is knife, blenders, water hot, of course water dispensers, coffee, toaster. See the owner leaves some sugar, some oil, some rice, some coffee, so it's. And the large fridge. Here we have laundry machines and dryers. Then a bathroom over here, we'll see that. So the dining table with a fixed bench, it's efficient, and then 2 floors and 2 stairs, and we arrive in the living room, salon, and then our incredible terrace. So master room, it has a walk-in dressing with a security box, and has also like a dressing on the side. Also AC, ceiling fans, access to terrace, and then we have the loft area on the upper floor. So I'm gonna take those few stairs, 12 stairs, and we arrive. Here it has been transformed in small bedrooms, an extra single bed, and you have a loft with like 2 queen's bed, ceiling fans, AC also. So it's perfect for kids to come. So large family, parents on the bottom and kids on the upper floor. 6 people, 7 people capacity max. So you have the living rooms here over here with 1 AC in the kitchen and 1 AC in the salon, so 4 ACs in total. And we come back to this master view. With amazing terrace to receive your friends. You see you have like a dinner table here. And look at this. So we listen a bit the wave. Listen from far the music sometimes. But it's a peaceful area, very safe. The house is closed of course, but it's twice gated. And you have like 2 checkpoints of security. So you have here one of the safe place placed in San Juan Del Sur. So no worry. So perfect to retire, perfect to chill, short term, long term. It's everything is good in Casa Madrono.